2019 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, power windows, compass, security system, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.